Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make construction paper flowers easy. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a variety of colorful construction paper, sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Don't forget a pencil for marking and a small circular object like a coin to help with shaping. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the petals. Take your construction paper and cut strips approximately 1 inch wide and 4 inches long. Fold each strip in half lengthwise, then carefully cut a rounded petal shape. Remember, slight variations make your flowers look more natural. Aim for 5 to 7 petals per flower to achieve a full, beautiful bloom. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble the flower. Apply a small amount of glue to the base of each petal. Overlap and press the petal bases together, forming a circular shape. Once the main flower is formed, cut a small paper circle, about 1 inch in diameter, and glue it to the center for a neat finish. To complete your beautiful paper flower, let's add some finishing touches. Cut thin strips of green construction paper for stems and leaf shapes. Glue the leaves onto the stems, then attach the stem to the back of your flower. For extra dimension, gently curl the edges of your petals using a pencil or your finger. Enjoy your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.